was gonna start at. It's gonna start. I was gonna start my live streams. Dang, I can't even speak today. I was going to start. I was gonna begin starting my live streams at 8:50 because we usually take trades after 9. But today hopped on a little earlier. But for sure, I'm gonna be aiming for 8:50. I know today we got news at 9, so there's that. Let's see. Okay, let's see what we got here. Yeah, consumer confidence is what we got coming up. 9 o'clock my time, 10 o'clock Eastern for sure. I would expecting it to be going up, and to be honest, the reason why I started the live is because I was gonna probably be looking for a trade before 9, just because once news hits, it's gonna be super volatile for a little while. For I mean, at least 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes or so. So let me see what we got. I know for sure it's bouncing off this area right here. Um, I'm definitely looking to go long today for sure. If I was to get into a trade, I would be trying to go to the upside. I think we're heading up just a smidge for some reason. For some reason, I don't know why, but I think it wants to clear all this right here. Yeah, like right up here in this area in particular. This area in particular. Hmm. Let me go back to my. This just lets me like draw lines a lot better. Like even right here needs to be kind of this gap right here needs to be filled in right here. I lost my spot right here. So even this needs to come in and be touched technically. Don't ask me how I know this stuff. I don't know. That's just what I heard. That's what I was taught. You know, this is a daily imbalance, and the green ones mean up or buy, a buy imbalance, and then the red ones mean sell imbalance. So right here would be a buy imbalance. Let me check my volumes, man. I want to make sure I'm not killing people. That's fine. All right. Excuse me. So retail traders would even be looking for it to be bouncing off this 200 technically. I mean, all this stuff works if you just apply it correctly, I guess, I'm not trading with the averages. They're like I said, I don't see them, but every now and then I'll look and be like, "Oh yeah, look, they would have caught it right here." If they were um, trending or moving average traders. I used to trade the moving averages actually, and I started to get kind of good at it. But you see how it blitz through every now and then, and you get chopped up. Like even right here, some people and off the 50. But you'll find your style and you'll understand what you need to do to be successful in this game. That's for sure. But I would be looking to go up. Um, oh no, I'm looking to go up. Disclaimer: this is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice or anything of that sort. Yeah. So I know for sure. I wanted to kind of sweep lows. I think, if you want me to be honest, I think it's kind of just chilling around for right now, waiting for news to pop, and then it's gonna use news to go lower. Oh, excuse me. Damn, I need to stop being rude, stop stretching and coughing and stuff. But I think it's gonna use news at 9 o'clock to go lower and take this stuff down here, and then we could be looking for a turn up, and that's when we finna be right there to pick it up and go. But I know it's going up today. Well, I'm not gonna say I know because I don't, but I'm confident it's gonna come down during news. Take this, take this. Yeesh. I don't know why I'm smiling. It makes me smile when I believe in like everything that I'm saying for sure. Let me send this out. Let me send this out. Let me send this out. Why not? Somebody gonna see it. He said them shits be long. I know, my brother. I'm sorry. I know, my brother. I'm sorry. But yeah, I think it's just gonna just stay stagnant for a little bit, and then it's gonna drain, and it's gonna come back. That's what we doing this morning. That's what we doing this morning. I appreciate anybody who came in and hit the like. So we got news coming out at 9 hour time Central. New York time would be 10, and I think news is gonna go ahead and drag the market down below these lows right here. Let me see how far we can go. I mean, I know for sure. I think it's gonna come take these out, and I don't know if it goes further. It could take these out. I think that's kind of, I don't know, but I think it's gonna use news to drag the market lower. Then we're gonna turn up for the day. I could be wrong. I mean, it's all speculation. But if you've listened to the other videos, I was on point for like 3 days in a row as far as where I believe the market was going. So it's really the study of these candles, man. But I appreciate everybody. Indeed, indeed. I was gonna try to take a trade before news, but I think I'm gonna wait till after, and then. But we looking to go up today. We bounced out of this daily green buy and balance, and we've been kind of going up ever since. So let's do it. Let's do the dang thing. Yeah. Let me see. Let me go to a higher time frame real quick. Yeah, I think we could. We definitely got to come take these highs right here. Ooh, and then there's a little gap that needs to be filled right here. See this high right here didn't fill it all the way in. So after it takes this high, it's gonna definitely fill this in. Could come up take. I mean, that's kind of a long. That's a big day. It's a long range, but anything is possible. The dog over there grunting. Yes, sir. I appreciate that. Yeah, so at 9 o'clock we should see the market start to go crazy for sure. Just because it's news, it just increased the volatility for no reason. For no reason, indeed. I see my real friends then came in. That's pretty funny. I'm hoping to get a good one today. Yesterday we made 750. Again, disclaimer: this is on a live sim account. We're going for a funded account. We start our combine next week, and if we're able to pass that, we'll get funded other people's money to trade and start making real money. But even in these little practice trades that I'm displaying, so to speak, still got to stay disciplined. You gotta exude those good habits even in the sim account, because if you start doing over leverage trades in the sim account, you'll get used to doing that, and it won't translate to when you start using real money. So you gotta pick your spots cleanly. Pick and pull from it and get out the market. You learn a lot in 2 years. I'm not even that good, but I mean I've definitely gotten better. Lost a lot. That's for sure. That's for sure. Ugh. I know it's like watching fucking paint dry, and that's technically what they call it. They say the candles are printing, so it's like watching paint dry. I love it though. I don't know why, but I believe it's stalling right now, just chilling. News is I mean, it could have just taken this and wants to go from here, but to be honest, I think news is gonna drive it down. I think news is gonna drive it down, and then we gonna go back up from there. Could be wrong, but that's my analysis. That's my prediction. We finna find out. I'm thinking it comes down, takes these, takes this low for by a little bit, and then turns around. We've been on the downflow for a few days now. Since the 12th of October, we've been down ticking. So it's time for just a breather. I think we should come up to probably in here, get a little breather, maybe even stretch a little bit in here. You know, it take a couple days, but by like the uh, 6th of November, we should probably be stretched in here and maybe looking to bounce back down. We in no way or shape to be going up with everything that's happening. Man, there's too much happening with the. I don't know. I don't know. They'll do anything to keep it going, but got the wars. The China stuff is popping off. You just don't. There's just too much coming down the pipe. That's why if you listen to, you gotta get rich. We gotta get wealthy before this stuff really pops off, man. Cause our money in our mind, I ain't even gonna get into it. I ain't even gonna get into it, man. But I wasted too much time. Too much time. Let me send it to one more person. All right, let's see. It's going up. I don't know, man. I told you everything. So technically, if this was a normal day, I probably would have taken this up move if it continues, because this is just kind of what it does. It just creates these little pockets where people just don't know what's gonna happen, and then it'll drip below a certain side before it takes the other side. It'll take money from people who thought it was going up, and then it'll make money from people who believed it was starting to go down. They'll put their stops up here. You'll see what I'm talking about. Once I put this right here, you'll understand what I'm talking about. That's a sloppy line, but we'll bring it up. So people believed from here it was going down, and then there's people who believed from here it was going up. So they took the money from the people who were thought it was going up by coming below this line, and then now they're probably gonna try to go up and take the money from these people. If not, I think it's gonna leak at 9. Oh, I think yep, it just hit 9 o'clock. So volatility's kicking up. If it don't leak, it just don't. That's just a bad. It was a bad call, but I mean, shit. I would like to see it take some more liquidity from below. To be honest, but you can see it starting to like just it's a lot of. It's not even that volatile. I know for sure that some things make it more volatile than others. This is consumer confidence that we're looking at. Consumer confidence report. Where we at with it? Right here. And we got a beat on that. So I mean, I guess the market shouldn't tank, but I would still like to see it go lower before we go up. To be honest, please drip just so I could just so I could be confident in my upturn. And it may not. I mean, yeah. See, I would see it starting to stretch. It'd be nice if it stretches down here, and then we'd be looking for a clean reversal. If not, it is what it is. We still gonna be looking for the go up today. It already took. It already taken whatever was right here. So there's some people who waited for this pullback, and then they got in right here. So it already took. It already. You know, if they put their stops here and they just chilled, it came up. They fell asleep. It's like I go back to sleep. This market gonna run. This was 3 in the morning. Fell asleep, and here they are brushing their teeth. They're gonna come back to a stop, to a break even trade, and that's just how it goes. There's one dude on YouTube named Casper. He says, "If you can't see the liquidity, you are the liquidity." Let's see. I'm just trying to see what we're doing. We're trying to see what we're doing. This is our magic hour, though. This is definitely our magic hour. I gotta get to work. There's a ton of projects that came in today. I need to get to work. I'm just waiting for my cue to go. Excuse me. So the Nasdaq did what I think it needed to. We might be able to just take a Nasdaq trade. Let's see. I would have loved to see the report take the market down a little bit more, but it always doesn't happen that way. It's already got some internal liquidity right here. Picked up some, and we're inside of a gap, kind of, so to speak. I'm sure that's a 10-minute gap. So there's some static right here. Let's see. Sorry. No, I got quiet. I was focusing. Sorry about that. Just focusing. Trying to see what's about to happen. I believe we're going up for the day. We just gotta wait patient. Gotta patiently wait for our setup. Patiently waiting for a track to explode on. Let's see what's happening here. Definitely can't do that. Alright, so I think we may be trying to get a move out of here. We're just gonna wait for it. Ooh, I want to take a NASDAQ trade. Okay, so we gotta move out of here. Let's see what we're gonna do. Oh crap. Let's see what we're gonna do with it.
Order submitted. Order submit. Order filled.
Okay. Mm, let's see what we can do with it. Should probably put it below that swing. Come on, 30-second chart. I didn't shut my computer down last night. That's definitely one thing. So you got a gap right here, that one on the 30. And I entered the trade off of what, like, it's my first time. Well, it's not my first time, but this is a breaker block, is what they call it. And it accelerated through it. Looks like it's using it as support. It should be going up from here. We could take it to 88, maybe, depending on how we move. Oh, no. Bring that back. Bring that back. What you doing? Should be able to take it up. Oh, it almost jumped right
Target
through.
filled.
Oh, it got me out. Ain't that something? Man, we could have taken it to 88, but it's okay. And that's how the cookie crumbles. There goes another one. There goes another one. Let me send it out. Damn. It's all good though. We definitely could have got all the way. We definitely could have taken it to 88, I think. We definitely could have taken it to 88. It's all good. We got 312. We could have. Let's see. Where do we enter? We entered like right here at 80. Yeah, we could have taken it to 88, bruh. It's all good. It smacked us out of there quick though. I was trying to manage it. Couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. We would have got the what is it would have been close. We'll see. Let me see. Let's see. Damn. Yeah, we definitely could have got 88. And I ain't gonna lie, like I think I'm bullish for the day. I probably could have grabbed it down here and just held it and just let it rock. And to be honest, like since we didn't did that, we could just go to the sim and take like a practice trade or something. We don't want to take what we got. We don't want to take or we don't want to give what we got away. You don't want to push your luck, man. It ain't really luck, but you definitely don't want to push your edge, as they say. Let's see what we got though. Let's go down to a lower time frame. But it happened the way it happened. It happened the way it happened, man. Let me see. I gotta turn this up just a little bit. Okay. So we could be looking for a re-entry here somewhere. Not on the account we just made bread in. We'll just go to this one. The sim account for real, for real. So this could be treated as an order block. Like some people could be getting it right here. I'm not going to. I want to see how it plays out, but quick trade review. We had a leak this morning. I guess we go to like the 5 minute real quick. We go slanted. I'm bullish for the day. I think it's gonna come up into here over the course of a few days. Um, so we had a downturn, waited for liquidity to be taken out. This is internal liquidity. This would be considered external. Got a leak down. This is the outsides. I know this is silly. It's probably difficult to understand, but these 2 points would be the external liquidity. These inside of that range would be internal. So it took the internal. I thought it would be coming down in here. It didn't, which is fine. We still got to move out of it. Waited for it to give us an energetic move past a certain point, which, like I said, I this is all educational purposes and entertainment only. I believe this would be treated as a breaker. So it soared through that breaker, came back, used it as resistance, or I'm sorry, support. I'm so sorry. Used it as support, and then ended up taking off to the upside. And I was trying to manage the trade. I wanted to go to 88. We ended up, I don't know how much, I can't remember how many ticks we got, but it ended up just kind of pushing right through our target with the quickness. So not too much we can do about that. All in all, it was a W though. That's what we here for. That's what we here for. I may stick around for another 5 minutes, see if we could catch another practice trade. But other than that, we got what we came for. And like I said, I'm still bullish for the day. I still think it's gonna probably come up and hit up here, maybe. Yeah, for sure. Indeed. But yeah, we got a pretty good entry. It was like right here. And to be honest, we probably could have held that bad boy for the rest of the day. Next time I get a good entry like that, I'm gonna probably grab two contracts, take one off at 5 to 8 points, and then let one rock for the rest of the day. Because I was extraordinarily confident about that trade. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. This one was definitely a quicker video. I know probably quicker videos are probably necessary. Not every day will we get in the market and see trades form so quickly, or we won't see them materialize so fast. But today was that day, and I do appreciate y'all. Uh, until then, you guys take it easy.